How much do you hate buying contents insurance? Be honest. If you're anything like me, you've spent too many wasted hours wading through endless comparison sites, answering 50 different questions, only to get an almost identical quote from a different provider. It's clunky, it's confusing, and it feels designed to make you give up. Well, Monzo, the UK's favorite bright pink digital bank, has just thrown its hat into the ring with the launch of its own contents insurance product. The big question is, can they bring that signature Monzo simplicity to a part of finance that desperately needs it? I've been digging into the details, and here are my first impressions. The pitch: insurance without the faff. Monzo's mission has always been to make money work for everyone, and their insurance pitch is no different. They've essentially taken the traditional contents insurance journey and stripped it right back. The first major selling point is the sign-up process. Monzo claims you can go from quote to covered in as few as 5 questions, using the data they already have on you to fill in the rest. If you're a Monzo customer, you know exactly what that means: a quick, in-app flow that feels more like ordering a pizza than protecting your life's possessions. They've also focused heavily on flexibility. This is a big one. You can adjust your coverage, add high-value items, or even cancel your policy at any time with no fees. That's a massive departure from the industry standard of rigid, yearly contracts and hidden charges for midterm adjustments. It's clear Monzo is targeting renters and the younger, digital native audience who are often put off by traditional policies. Their own research showed that half of UK renters either don't have contents insurance or don't really understand it. This product looks tailor-made to fill that gap with a simple, pay monthly, cancel anytime model. What's under the hood? So, who's actually holding the risk? Monzo has partnered with the insurer Chubb, a huge name in the insurance world. Monzo handles the distribution, the policy management, and the shiny app experience, while Chubb is the underwriter responsible for managing, approving, and paying out any approved claims. The policy itself seems fairly comprehensive for a basic contents offering. It covers damage and theft inside and outside the home, up to a certain limit. The maximum contents coverage is up to £100,000. Crucially, you can make claims either in the app or over the phone. The pricing will be the real test, of course. Early indications suggest an aggressive push on affordability to capture that underserved market, with one source suggesting cover for £10,000 of contents could start from around £5 per month. Given the transparency, the lack of cancellation fees, and the ease of managing it all alongside your main banking, this could be a genuine comparison site killer for a lot of people. The verdict. My first impressions are overwhelmingly positive, but with one big caveat. The simplicity and flexibility are exactly what this market needed. Monzo has a track record of taking old, painful financial products, like current accounts and money management, and making them delightful. Their contents insurance seems to follow the same playbook. The big question mark, as with any insurance, is the claims experience. While Monzo provides the interface, Chubb handles the actual payout. We've seen mixed experiences with Monzo's other third-party insurance products, like the phone cover included with Monzo Premium. The true value of this product won't be in the quote process, but in how smoothly and fairly they handle a flooded kitchen or a broken laptop. If Monzo can deliver a true